In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a custom dictionary in Microsoft Word. A custom dictionary is perfect for names, industry jargon, acronyms, or brand terms that Word keeps marking as misspelled. Instead of clicking Ignore all the time, you can teach Word to recognize these words automatically and control exactly which ones it accepts. Start by opening Microsoft Word. With a document open, go to the File tab in the top left corner and choose Options. This opens the Word Options window, which is where many of Word's deeper settings live. On the left side of that window, click Proofing. This is the section that controls spelling and grammar behavior. Scroll down until you see the button labeled Custom Dictionaries and click it. You'll see a list of dictionaries Word can use when checking your spelling. Now let's create a new one just for your specialized terms. Click the New button. You'll be asked to name your dictionary and choose where to save it. Pick a clear, memorable name, like My Dictionary, and choose a location you'll remember. If you use multiple devices, saving it in a synced folder can make it easy to keep your dictionary with you. Click Save. Your new dictionary will immediately appear in the list. Make sure there's a check mark next to it. That check mark tells Word to use it when it checks spelling. If it isn't checked, Word won't consult it, and your custom words will still appear as errors. With the dictionary created and enabled, it's time to add words. Select your new dictionary in the list and click Edit Word List. A small window opens where you can type a word you want Word to accept. Enter a word, click Add, and repeat as needed. When you're done, click OK to return to the Custom Dictionaries window and OK again to close out of options. From now on, when you run a spell check or see red underlines as you type, Word will check your custom dictionary along with the main dictionary. Your added terms will no longer be flagged as mistakes, which keeps your documents clean and saves time. A few quick tips as you build your list. Keep entries precise and intentional so you don't accidentally allow real typos. Use consistent capitalization for proper nouns. And if you ever change your mind about a word, return to Edit Word List to remove it. That's it. You've created a custom dictionary, enabled it, and added words, all set up to make Word work the way you do.